Throughout the long history of theater, three basic types of stages have prevailed. Each of these styles has advantages and disadvantages, and each has a good for certain types of play. Let's take a look at the three styles and see why each has been so successful. The three designs are 1. The proscenium or picture frame stage, 2. The arena or circle stage, and 3. The thrust stage with 3-color shading. This get its name for the proscenium arch, the frame that sort of outlines the stage and separates it from the audience. The proscenium stage is also called picture frame stage because picture frame also looks through and to see the action and the frame. The seats for the audience all face in the same direction. Further stage at the front end of the theater. The stage area of proscenium theater is usually deep. This allows for elaborate scenery and scene changes. Scenery pieces called backdrops hang on ropes and cable at the rear, and layers one behind the other. They are called backdrops because they can be dropped into position and then raised again if necessary. The number of different backdrops possible allows the scene designer to create an extremely realistic set. However, the proscenium arch also creates a distancing effect, which is an advantage for certain types of drama but a disadvantage for others. The proscenium works really well for large-scale productions with lots of characters and action. But for some plays, for example, close-up views of real life, the proscenium is sort of a barrier between the actors and the audience. Next, the arena stage. In the past half-century, there's been a movement to bring theater closer to real life, a movement toward more informal, more intimate theater. Thus, we have the arena stage, also called the circle theater, or the theater in the round. In the arena theater, the stage is centered on a square or circle with sheets for the audience around it all inside. The actors are in the center, so everyone in the audience can be close to them. The effect is a sense of intimacy, a kind of closeness that comes whenever people from the arena is the oldest style of theater. It's interesting to know that almost all rituals in the long run, the ceremonies, the rituals, and dances in all parts of the world took place in a circle. One disadvantage of the arena theater is that while it's designed local intimacy, it's impossible to elaborate scenery or scene changes. This lack of flexibility is one reason why the third style of theater has become very popular again. The third design, the third stage, falls somewhere between proscenium and the arena style. In the third stage theater, the audience sits on three sides on the house around the stage that sticks out into the center. Behind us is the stage house, from which the actor enter and exit and scenery change. The third stage is a kind of a compromise between the proscenium and the arena style. It combines the scenic features of proscenium theater with the intimacy of the arena stage. The former English theater of Shakespeare's day were straddle stage theaters, and today it's the most widely used of all the designs. Its advantages are obvious. It has the intimacy of three-quarter ceiling around the actors, and the stage helps that the real make scene changes possible. Also, the fact that so many great dramatic works were written for it gave the third stage a prominent position among the major homes. Oh, anyway.